Well, hello and welcome to another edition of Magic Words. I'm your host, Jonas Cain, and today we're starting a 6-episode series on the 5 E's of positive influence. These are the 5 principles that have been identified to help us have a positive influence not only in our own lives, but in the lives of others as well. But before we even get into those E's, we're going to talk today about the magic word influence. Whether we know it or not, we are surrounded by oftentimes conflicting influences. Some influences are positive, some influences are negative, and still some influences are neutral, and it's up to us to decide whether it's a positive or negative. But even beyond that, everything we do communicates something. All of our actions and all of our words communicates something. Everyone is watching someone. Right? And people are looking to us, whether as role models or they're looking at us to judge us. And the question is, no matter why they're looking at us, the question is, are we having a positive influence on their lives? Or do we have a negative influence in their lives? So the magic word influence reminds us to not only discern between the positive and negative influences that affect us, but also remind us to be cognizant of the influence that we have in the lives of others. Until next time, my name is Jonas Cain. Stay positive.
I hope you're enjoying this series of videos. Please be sure to leave a comment and share this video so that others can benefit from it as well. And as always, if you have something you'd like to share with me personally, you may email me at jonas@positivitymagic.com.